Noise colorfit Pulse smartwatch. This smartwatch comes in 6 color variants of cherry red, deep wine, jet black, mist grey, royal blue and teal green. The 240 by 240 pixels resolution with full touch screen gives you an immersive experience. It has a screen size of 1.4 inch. It is IP68 waterproof and has lightweight and strong build. With a battery backup of 10 days, just concentrate on your game without stopping. Keep track of your heart rate and blood oxygen levels from your wrist via the 24/7 heart rate and SpO2 monitors. It has automatic sleep tracking and multiple sports modes. You can choose from 8 sports modes and a plethora of cloud-based watch faces or customize them as per your preference. Inside the